Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to recreate an eye look that I saw here. I actually save pictures on my Instagram, the ones that I want to recreate. And it's this one by Patrick Tar, so I'm sure everyone knows Patrick Tar, but he created this look on Emily Ratajkowski. Can't really pronounce her name. She's gorgeous, and I'm living for this eye and lip look. So it's like a brown smoky eye with a smoked out lower lash line and soft nude lips, and I kind of want to recreate that. It looks really nice. She looks absolutely stunning. Her skin is popping. Like, Patrick Tar knows how to make them looks. So I'm gonna try and recreate that eye and lip look. I've already got my skin done, my base is done, everything's done, my eyes set. I'm just gonna go in with the eye look. So the browns that she has on her eyes kind of looks like this one here. So I'm going to try and smoke this out on my eyes. I don't really feel like putting a pencil on, and plus I don't think I have a brown pencil that is going to blend out easy enough. So I'm just going to go straight in with an eyeshadow, build it up and blend it out. Now this is the Balm's Meet Matte Nude eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking Matte Rosin. These eyeshadows are like super duper pigmented, so I'm gonna start off gently just on the lid, because we want all of the pigment on the eyelid, and then we want to blend it out softly and smoothly outwards that way. And then gently with the rest of the product on the brush, I'm just going to buff the edges and blend it upwards. So now we've slightly got a structure going. It's not the best looking at the moment, but bear with me. It's all about layering really, so just packing it on to where you feel that you've applied enough, colour and pigment. So I've just about, got it down. It's all about blending it out. Now what I've noticed on the photo is that obviously most of it's here, but it's really softly blent out right at the top here. Now what I usually do to blend this part out is I use a lighter colour, but I think I'm just going to leave it. Blend more of the colour into the middle here, into like the socket, and then I'm going to use highlighter to kind of buff it out. That's how I end up doing it anyway, but we're just going to build up the colour gently. Now what I tend to do just to clean up the section, I get my concealer brush, and whatever's left over on here, which is probably a bit of concealer, I just follow my lower lash line, so like that, and I gently clean upwards. Not too close to the lower lash line, just enough space, because we're going to have to connect that together with the smoked out lower lash line. And the way you can easily see if it matches up is squint your eyes, just squint your eyes and look at both sides, and you can kind of see which one's darker or which one is higher and lower, and I think this one's higher, so I'm just gonna blend more on this one. If you do feel like you've brought it too close into the inner parts here, although in the photo it's kind of brought in a little bit, but for my eye shape I don't want to take it too far in, or else it just looks like I'm swollen. So I'm just going to take a brush and kind of buff out places where I feel like I brought it too far in. This brush is pretty much clean anyway, so it should work. Okay, so I'm going to take the Urban Decay Perversion Glide On pencil. Funnily enough, this is my only black pencil, so yeah, it's really black and it really stays on. So I'm going to use this, and I'm running out, as you can see. I'm going to use this, I'm going to apply this first on my waterline. Okay, so now that I've applied it on my waterline, what I'm going to do, I'm going to slant it, and I'm going to do it again, gently, very gently, grazing it on my lashes, so on the lash line. If you do make a little bit of a boo-boo, all you have to do is get a cotton bud and twist. Just twist it off. Now this is my kind of technique. I take cotton buds and I smudge out my lower lash line. I don't use a brush. I just find using a cotton bud much easier, and it's just a tool that most people have in their house. So, and I just gently smudge. So in the photo it's much more lighter at the front, and there's more depth in the outer corner of the lower lash line. So that's what we're going to do. So obviously if you need more, just slightly apply more and then smudge it out. Now the thing is, because this is a really dark black pencil that's meant to be 24 hours, if the mistake you can still see, just take a tad bit of concealer and clean it up. In the photo I can't see how it ends right at the corner, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to slightly blend it into the outer corner of my top lash line with the cotton bud, because it's already got product on it. So just on the outer corner, almost so that it connects. I'll be putting lashes on anyway, so if it looks crap on the top part of your lid, it doesn't matter, lashes do the trick. If you do want to smoke it out even more, you can always take some black eyeliner, a smudge brush, and just gently smudge where you've put the pencil, but I'm going to leave it for now. I'm going to apply some brown eyeliner on the inner parts of my eyes, just up here, because instead of it making it too dark with the black, because this is really black, I'm going to use a brown, because the brown kind of matches with the brown eyeshadow, so here it goes. I do this because when I put false lashes, I do not want a gap. I don't want to see where the false eyelash starts, so that's why I put the brown eyeliner. I'm going to add some highlighter because I personally can't live without highlighter, so I'm going to use the Primark Pure Glow palette, taking Glimmer. I'm going to apply that to my inner corner. And I'm going to apply that on the arch of my eyebrow. Alright, so I'm going to use the Sosu Dubai lashes. These are from Primark and they're £5. So I'm just going to apply these and I'll be back. Okay, so while my eyelash dries, I'm going to go straight in with the highlighter. I'm going to use the MAC Soft and Gentle, and I'm going to apply that on my cheekbones. Slightly down the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow and chin. So I can see a really soft pink blush in her, and I've got my beautiful infallible blush palette that Tom got me for Valentine's Day. Yes, my best friend gets me gifts. And I'm going to use, I think, this one. This one has more of a shimmer in it. I want something more matte. And this entire palette smells like candy, and I never knew that before. It smells delicious. So I'm going to take this colour here. It's called Peony Rose. I'm just going to apply some mascara on my lower lashes, and it's the L'Oreal X Fiber Extreme Resist Waterproof Mascara. I'm going to use the colour 728 Honey Beige by Maybelline. And then I'm going to add the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss. This is in Champagne Glam. It's got a gold undertone to it, so I'm just going to put that on top. Okay, so this is the final look, and I've kind of switched it up a bit. You see my, yeah. So this is the look. It's pretty similar. The lip colour is not going to be exactly the same. I mean, I don't have the same lip colours, but this is the look. It is a brown smoky eye with a smoky lower lash line and some nude glossy lips. And your girl's just decided to slick the hair back. So yeah, this is the look. If you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.